Hello everyone, I am Zafarulla Sattar, Global Ambassador for Human Rights and Peace, International Human Rights Advisory Council, and from All India Council of Human Rights, Liberties and Social Justice. Today, December 10, 2020, is a day of Human Rights Day. Today, I would like to enlighten the human rights, awareness, protections, and help. What is the human rights? The human rights are broadly comprised of civil, political, cultural, and economic rights. Most important among them are right to equality and equal protection of law. We have our human rights. The sum of the important points are right to life, right to dignity, right to personal liberty, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to privacy, right to fair trial, right to health, protection against arrest and detention, right to freedom of religion, freedom of speech and expression, right to form association, right to movement, protection against double jeopardy, prohibition against self incrimination, right to education, right to pure environment, right against discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, right against untouchability. These are the rights what we have. In order to protect and enforce human rights, the National Human Rights Commission of India and state human rights commissions have been constituted under the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. It is the duty of the state and all its agencies to protect human rights of every citizen. In case of violation of human rights in any manner by any office or agency of the state or failure to protect such rights, the victim or anyone else on his or her behalf can approach the Human Rights Commission for redressal. Like that, state human rights commissions and national human rights commissions have given the procedure how to file complaints, everything through email, by post, or by online complaints. Like that, it is our duty of a true citizen to protect the human rights. In all above, I would like to enlighten one right that we have, protection against arrest and detention. This is the right what we have got in our constitution. Article 22 of the Constitution of India, 1. No person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed as soon as may be of the ground for such arrest, nor shall he be denied the right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. Subsection 2 says, every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within the period of 24 hours of such arrest, excluding the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the court of the magistrate, and no such person shall be detained in custody beyond the said period without the authority of a magistrate. Exemption and provision for legal detention are provided in subclause 3 to 7 of Article 22. And we have another right in human rights, that is right to fair trial. Fair investigation and fair trial are concomitant to preservation of fundamental right of an accused under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. But the state has a larger obligation, that is to maintain law and order, public order, and preservation of peace and harmony in the society. A victim of a crime thus is equally entitled to a fair investigation. So, my friends, these are the human rights we have in our constitutions. So, we request, please protect human rights and create awareness and help others to be protect the human rights. This is the message of me today in the day of Human Rights Day, December 10, 2020. Thank you and all. Thank you very much.